Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Jack, and today I'll be unboxing the Jaybird X4 wireless earbuds. Okay, so inside the box itself, we got the Jaybird X4s. So here they are. It got a nice plasticky box to it. It makes it look like an angle, but really it's a flat surface. When we open this up, we got the accessories compartment. When we take this out, we get the rest of the earbuds and the pouch that they come with, or their storing pouch. Inside you'll find all the accessories. The Jaybirds are special because they come with a comply foam tip. This helps keep excess noise out of your earbuds and only music that you're listening to in your ears. It also comes with 3 different sizes of ear fins and 2 sizes of comply foam tips and 2 sizes of regular tips. According to Jaybird, these earbuds are sweat and waterproof, IPX7 rating, and they have up to 8 hours of playtime with the full charge. So to turn on your earbuds, you're just going to want to hold down on the power button until you see a green light. So after you've turned them on, you're going to want to download the Jaybird app, and once it's done installing, you're going to want to go tap on X4 in the list of earbuds and connect it. Once you've got that all connected, you can edit the EQ to whatever standard you want. To me, the sound quality on these Jaybirds are excellent. They have really upgraded the sound quality since the Jaybird Freedoms, which I previously owned. And I've noticed that they really have increased the size of their sound engines. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified about my latest videos.